Get ready for an unforgettable Ramadan experience with ISLAMedia, the ultimate free-to-watch video streaming platform for the whole family. Discover the captivating historical series about the great judges in Islamic history with the second season of Great Judges. Follow Ibn Battuta on his new adventures in Season 2. Don't miss the second season of Richness of Creations. And enjoy diverse flavors in our new cooking show. With ISLAMedia, you can enjoy our previously streamed programs anytime, anywhere. Join us this Ramadan for an inspiring and entertaining experience and celebrate the richness of our culture and heritage. Access ISLAMedia through Islami Wallet, download the app, or visit the website www.islamedia.tv.